Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm going to be giving you a quick review and a look on the new palette by Huda Beauty. Now this is the nude and this is the palette. Look at those shades. How they will apply, who knows, because this is my first go, so I can't really do that much of a review. It's the first impressions. Look at these kind of top shades with these sort of additional pigment in, which is meant to give a really strong sort of shimmer effect. So, as is with most things with me, we're going to speed this up so that it doesn't bore the tits off you, because nobody wants that. That's my mirror. Let's make a start. There you go, that's the look. Okay, so generally speaking, really pretty look. The glitters in this palette, these actually adhere to the lid quite well. Now there's a concealer here, which I tend to think is probably going to be used so you can press the glitters in so that they stick. I didn't use that. I actually found them, I actually thought that they stuck pretty well without, but you could feel some fallout, absolutely. And what I did was, after I used this glitter here, I then applied this one called Cray, which is that really kind of shimmery color there. I applied that over the glitter so that you got the kind of red from the glitter poking through this sort of light, really shimmery color. Generally speaking, the powders produce quite a lot of fallout, particularly in the palette themselves. I don't think that's a bad thing myself, because I don't care if eyeshadows drop, because you do eyes first, you can clean it up. And anyway, you get a much nicer sort of cleaner under eye area when you do it that way. So it doesn't bother me whatsoever. Pigmentation is really nice. Generally speaking, and there is a huge amount of matte shades in this palette. In fact, this one here called Kinky, that's the only sort of your standard shimmer in here, because the rest are either glitters or these really sort of intense colors with the speckles in. Really nice palette, very pleased I have it, very pleased. That's the look we did, ever so quick, ever so simple. Thank God for makeup wipes, because you can just create, excuse me, picking, you can just create a bloody mess, blend it, and then just clean it up to get the kind of lift and pull, whether you want it to come out this way or up that way, depending on the angle you pull it. You can create any lift you want. So much more simple than pissing around trying to create the most beautiful artistic eyeshadow when you can't do it anyway, because I can't, so I'll clean it up and create what I want with this. See you next time, bye bye.